Hi guys, welcome to week 15 of our Willows Avenue project. Okay, let's get to it. Most of the walls have been skimmed now, as you can see. Looks a lot better. Woodwork's going in. Ensuite. Okay, so this one is going to be, I think, our lowest price room because of its size. The ensuite is a bit snug, but unfortunately we had to make the best of what we've got. If it works absolutely fine, and people would rather have a smaller ensuite and a bigger room than a smaller room and a big ensuite. This room actually is potentially already reserved. We've got a lady who's quite interested in it. I actually took her around the property the other day. She's got a large property in Handsworth, I think, which she needs to renovate and then probably downsize or probably sell. And then she's looking to move somewhere closer to her family or for her kids anyway. So that'd be quite good because this would be quite a high standard. Quite a luxurious property, and the tenants here will obviously be really nice, so I think she'll fit in quite well. This is room 2. Yeah, we can start seeing stuff, seeing a lot of development, which is good. This ensuite for this room. This goes all the way up. Against the walls will be filled up, scraped down, and then treated and just painted white. And then we'll put hooks and then mirrors all the way across here. Actually, so that's the wall. All done quite nicely. Right. So in this space, as you walk through the door. The bed will be over there. What we're going to do, therefore, show you around. So the plan. So that's the ensuite there. So we're going to put a chest of drawers there, which means the door would have to open this way, with the bed being over there, so that you walk in. You're welcomed with. When you walk in, this will make a better impression if the door isn't opening that way and opening that way and hitting the chest of drawer. That door will therefore, that's the door to the ensuite, would have to open that way, otherwise it will hit this wardrobe here, which is where the piece of wood is. This is the ensuite. So it goes all the way up. Decent sized room. There we're gonna just do a built-in wardrobe. So a shelf up there, pole, and then all the way down here, probably some shoes, an area for shoes down there. Yeah. Okay, so the flooring of the kitchen has gone in. As you can see, this is the kitchen. So flooring in, walls been done. Got a gentleman over there sorting out the boiler. Yeah, a lot of space. But it's nice to see it's finally taking shape. Kitchen as well. Sorry, that's the garden. So the upstairs, the first coating has been done. And it actually it's starting to look really nice actually. Let's walk up. Look at that. Yeah. Good sense of space. We're just sorting out the paint, so making sure we get the really durable white emulsion paint. Because we expect, we want these things to last. So we're just going to spend a lot more money on good quality paint. But as you can see, now that they've been painted white, it just looks so much better. Right? walk in. Room number 4. That's the ensuite in there. It's actually a really big ensuite. They're putting in the toilets next week. This is the room. Now, this room is actually turning out to be a bit bigger than what I thought it would be, which is a pleasant surprise considering the 3 rooms downstairs are a bit smaller than what I like them to be. Mostly it's because of the lack of light in 2 of the bedrooms, and the front bedroom is just quite small anyway. It still meets minimum requirements. It's just I'd rather, not plan towards minimum requirements and just have decent sized rooms. As I've pointed out in Rob Hunter's post a few times, I really like his approach to property, because they do really big rooms. Anyway, room number 5. So the radiators will be up next week. Is the first coating done? Yeah, that's room. This will be a great room, very square. See outside. So upstairs, that's where we've got 3 tanks for the heating and the water. Not sure what we're going to put in there yet, but we'll make use of it. Alright, so this is the big master showroom, master bedroom. So this will be the showroom. So let me show you. That's the ensuite, a decent size, and in fact it's the perfect size and perfect arrangement. So that's the sink there, toilet all the way there, everything you need. Right, still unsure what we're going to do with that space to make the most of it. I've got some ideas, it's just nothing really jumping out at me. But it'll be great, whatever we decide to do. Yeah, so this is it. I think really looking at this, 3 weeks left. So that means we're probably 3 weeks over schedule. Yeah, which is fine. On a project this size, 3 weeks is absolutely fine. Okay, hopefully that's been helpful, and I will see you at the next video.